Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video we will discuss about the K-map for the logic minimization. We will minimize the complex equation by using the K-map and then implement the circuit of using Boolean expression and ICs into the Proteus and we write the Verilog HTML code on the Quartus. Here we draw the 16-bit and ABCD 16-bit input here and here is output and we write the minterm of these inputs. On the minterm which are considered only which have output 1 as 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are the 7 inputs which are considered. Now using SOP sum of products we create a function and sum all the products which have the output 1, minterm of the products which have the output 1 and create a function. We write here f of a b c d is equal to we sum all the minterms of these function which have the with these inputs which have the output 1. We write the minterm here where is a 0 we consider the input a bar, here b bar and which have 1 without bar. It is simply written as c. Here we write the function. Now in the K-map we draw the K-map of all the function and we separated it by the 0 1 form output of the 0 1 and we create a group here by red and green color. These are the two groups. Here we have to reduce we have to generate the reduced form equation. So f of abcd is equal to here we first draw the equation for the red block. Here we can see that all AB are the different. Here is 1 1 and here is 0. Here is 0 and 1 1. Here AB are different and here we can see that C is same for the both of columns and D is different. Here is 1 and here is 0. So here we write the C for the red and now we can create the expression for the this one in this group. Here A B are the different, all are the different and here C D are the same for this this group. Here we write the C and CD because here is a 0 and we write a bar here. Here we obtain the two equations. One is complex ABC this one and second equation is which is obtained by the K-map is this. We will write the equation, this equation into the Verilog form here. Now we go to the Verilog HTML and test it. Now we go to the Verilog HTML file and here we write the code. First we module the file name here lab7 and declare the inputs here. Let inputs are the A, B, C, D and variables are these. Now we declare the input here. Inputs are the A, B, C and D are the inputs. Now we declare the output here is the output. Now we assign is equal to here we write the expression here. Now we copy this and go to the and paste it here. This is the expression which is given by the truth table, mean term of the truth table. Now we here end the module. We write here 16-bit 4 input table. And here is a function f of a, b, c and d. Now we run the simulation. Here is some error. We have to declare this as a declaration. Now we run this again. It takes some time to compile. We can see here the full compilation was successful. Now we go to the RTL view. Here is the RTL view. Here is the RTL view of this mean term. Here is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 inputs which are generated by these AND gates here, AND gate and NOT gate here, and here is a single one output. We will also discuss it into the Proteus. Now we go to the waveform here. Here we go to the University Program VWF and click on OK. Here we insert the node bus, find and list it here, copy this and OK. Here A, B, C, D are the inputs and ER is the output here. Now we set the inputs according to the truth table which have the output 1. Now we go to the truth table. Here we set the first one. It is 0 0 and C is equal to 1 0 0 1 0. Now we go to the Verilog HDL code. Here we set the C is equal to 1 here 0 0 1 0, and then now we can see that the E is, which is the output, is also 1. After the simulation, we run the simulation here. Here the simulation is running. It takes some time to simulate. Here is the output. We can see in the output when it is 0 0 1 0, the output is also 1. Now we test one more. We go to the here and we select any one from those which have the output 1 from the 7 of those, and now we select this one 0 1 1 1. In this B, C and D are the 1 1, and A is equal to 0. Now we go to this and we select BCD is equal to 1 1 1 and A is equal to 0. Now we run the simulation again. It takes some time to now from this we can see this A, B, C, D are 1 1 1 and A is equal to 0, then output is also 1. Now we test one other. Go to the here and go to the truth table. Now we select the A, B, C are this one. A, B, C. When A and C, D are the 1 1 and B is equal to 0. Now we go to here and C is equal to 0. B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Here B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Now we simulate this again. Similarly here output is equal to 1 when the inputs similarly when we apply the other which have the output 1 here, then other minterms which have the one input here, it will show the output 1. So here the truth table is verified. Now now we go to the Proteus. Here we draw the gate view diagram of this. Here is a B, C, D are the 4 inputs here, and we implement these operations, the Boolean expression here using the AND gates and creating SOP, sum of all the products here, sum of all the products by using OR gate here. Here is the 7 products and we sum these all here. Now we here is a second function here which is obtained by the K-map. We draw this here. Here we draw the which have the C and D 2 inputs. Here is a C and D 2 inputs. Here A and B are here A and B are moved, and it shows similar behavior as compared to this. So we can say that here is a reduced form of this circuit. Now we test this according to the truth table. Now we run the simulation. We go to the truth table here. Here is the first expression 0 0 and 1 0. CD is equal to 1 0. Now we go to the here is a 0 0 and 1 0. Here is C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0, and output is both at the same cases, which show the 1 1. When we set the C and D both are 1 1 and C and D both are 1 1, we go to the truth table here. Now we implement the second function here. Here is a 0 1 1 0. B is equal to 0 1 1 0. We go to the here. Zero 1 1 0. It shows the output 1. Here C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. We can see this. Here C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. and show the similar behavior. Output 1 1. Now we test one more. We write it here, the last one, all the inputs are the 1 1, and then the output, when all the inputs are the 1 1 in CD are both 1 1, then the output is equal to 1. If we do this C 0, and the output will be changed 0. If we implement any other expression which have other than which have the output 0, then it show the 0. Let's suppose we implement this expression here, 1 0 0 1. Now we go to the here 1 0 0 1, and here C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1. It shows the 0 output here. So from these tests we can say that here is a reduced form of this function, which is the expression of this function is given by the K-map. Now we implement this circuit into the Quartus using Verilog HDL. Now we go to the Verilog HDL file here. Now we write the code here. Here we module, here file name which is lab, and declare the variables here. C and D are the inputs, and let's suppose E is the output here. We declare the input here. Input is equal to C and D, and output is equal to, let's suppose E is the output here, and we assign here, assign E is equal to, we go to the here, here is the reduced form equation which is given by from the groups of the K-map, which is equal to C or C D bar. We write is C plus C D bar, C or C and not D. Here we end the module here. Here we write F is equal F of A, B, C and D. Here is a reduced form. Now we run the simulation. Here we can see that the full compilation was successful. We can locate the RTL view from here. Here is the RTL view. C, here is the output C and D bar, and here is C plus C and D bar. Here is the output E. Now we go to the university program VWF to create the waveform. Here we insert the node. Here node finder, list it here. No, okay and okay. Here is the CD are the two inputs and E is the output. Now according to the truth table, from here when the C is equal to 1, we can see here, here is our where C is 1 at all condition, where is the output is equal to 1. Here is output 1, C is equal to 1, output 1, C is equal to 1, C is 1 at all condition. Now we set the C is equal to 1 and odd condition. C is equal to 1 and D is equal maybe 1 or 0. We test the both cases. Now we simulate the behavior. Here is the output. We can see here C is equal to, when C is equal to 1 0, the output is equal to 1. We go to the here, when C is equal to, when the input is equal to 1 0, here CD is equal to 1 0, the output is equal to 1. Here is also 1 0, and this one is also 1 0, and this one is also 1 0. Here is the 4 cases which have 1 0 and output is equal to 1. Now other 3 cases is 1 1, 1 1 and 1 1. Now we also run the this case when the both C and D are the 1 1. Now we run the simulation again. In this case, in both cases, the output is equal to 1 1. We can see it from here, when C and D are both are the 1 1, then the output is also 1. We study all the behavior of all the 7 behavior of the truth table with the output 1 1. In any case, we set the input C is equal to 0, then the output is also 0. Similarly, in the Proteus, when we set the here the C is equal to 0, then the output is equal to 0. D may be 0 or 1. D does not make difference on output here, because in the both cases 0 and 1, D is equal to 0 and D is equal to 1 has the output 0 if C is equal to 1. When C is equal to 0, then output is equal to 0. Now here by the both operation, by the both software from the Proteus and the Quartus, we can prove this, that this circuit is equal to non-reduced form of this is equal to reduced form. We implement it into the Proteus and check the result here, and also check it by the waveform. That's all.